Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Modeler here. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so here is my Eagle 2 Space 1999 with the extra boosters. Finally, at this point, am I guess sort of done. I didn't put too many decals on here because word has it round 2 is going to come out with their own set of decals for the Eagle 2, so I'm fine. We're just waiting, but I did put some on here, and the way I painted it, if you see the other videos, sort of gave it a little bit of a pattern on its own. I must say the one mistake I made are on these top thingies, where I basically put one of these backwards, and so I'm gonna have to fudge a pipe here or there. Either I don't have to buy another one, but I'll probably end up fudging it. This is pretty easy to put together. All you need to do is just basically paint these tanks orange, paint this gray, and then put the whole thing together, and then decal. So that actually wasn't too bad at all. And if you look, I'm gonna close the door here. Look here, you can compare and contrast my other Eagle lab pod that I got. The pod is a resin kit. Compare that to the round 2 one, and I have to say the round 2 one was a lot easier to put together and very, very nice. So again, more decaling to be done, but I'll wait for those to come out, and then I'll use my hand at maybe a little bit of weathering. But hey, it's in space, so how much weathering can you get in space? I don't know. All right, guys, until next time, this is probably, I'm going to call this one done. All right, guys, till next time.